Hey guys, back again. Just finished putting in the wardrobe unit. This is in the master bedroom. I've got the shelves now to go in, the drawers, etc. Hanging rails. I'll pop those in now, and then I'll put all the doors, the middle doors. I'll leave the two end doors off because we still have to build a little frame here. Just knocking myself out there with the my little downlight that I've been using. I've got to put a little frame in here, and then we'll plaster that up. Same across the top and down the other end there. Then it'll look like it's always been there. It'll look like it's been built in. So that's where we're at with the wardrobes in the master bedroom. And I'll see you soon when I've finished the inside. Right guys, back here, surfers, wardrobes done. Put all the interiors into them. So now we've got future drawers. Put your clothes in. Put a little shoe rack down the bottom here. All soft closing. All the shelves are done. So we've got some longer hanging here for the girls. A couple of longer hanging ones. Shorter hanging for shirts and things for dudes. They'll all get boxed in now. I'll put some doors on. I'll leave the end doors off, the two end doors, so that we can get the infills done on those. But yeah, looking forward to having this one ready and done. Okay, talk to you soon.